Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on competency based question answer from chapter 1. So let's start for our today's topic. Dear students, the name of the chapter is Our Environment. This is our lecture 5 and you will get homework 2 from this class. And today we will discuss competency based questions and its answer. In our previous class we have already discussed competency based question 1 and 2. Today we will start from 3. By which process plants produce food? Give an example. How do plants help animals? Write 3 ways to preserve plants in your locality for maintaining balance of environment. The answer of the question is plant produces food in photosynthesis. The food made by plants in photosynthesis is eaten by animals. That means animal is dependent on plants for food. 3 ways for preserving environment in my locality are: first one, to stop deforestation for building houses, streets and factories. Second one, to use other fuel instead of using wood in respect of burning brick. And third one, to encourage all the people of our area about tea plantation. Now come to our next competency based question is write 5 differences between food chain and food web. The answer is 5 differences between food chain and food web are given below. First one, for food chain, the path of food energy in an ecosystem from plants to animals is called food chain. First one, for food web, when several food chains connected together, it is called a food web. Now come to next one, for the food chain, it establishes the relation between plants and animals. Second one, for food web, it indicates the relation between different food web. Now come to the next one, for food chain. In an ecosystem, several food chain coexist. Now come to the next one, for food web. In an ecosystem, one food web can exist. Now next one, for food chain, the beginning of food chain is from green plants, and for food web, the elements of beginning of food web is not specific. Now come to for last one, food chain, that here ether factors and disjunctives may not exist together. Now come to for food web, here ether factors and disjunctives exist together. Come to the next question, and this is the last question. This is the question number 5. Explain how snake and eagle are similar in a food chain. Answer of the question is all animals directly or indirectly depend on plants for their energy. A plant produces its own food using the energy of the sunlight. The path of food energy in an ecosystem from plants to animals is called food chain. In the same process, the frog is eaten by then the snake is eaten by an eagle. In this way, snake and eagle are similar in a food chain. Come to the last question for this chapter. This is write 6 sentences about the dependence of living things on non-living things. The answer of the question is every living thing such as human, animals, plants depend on non-living things such as water, air, soil, etc. due to survive. 6 sentences about the dependence of living things on non-living things are as follows. First one, human being need air to breathe, water to drink, food to get nutrition for survival. Second one, Human beings use soil for growing crops and lands to build their shelters. Third one, animals need air, water and food to live. Fourth one, animals use soil and water as habitat. Fifth one, plants use sunlight, water and carbon dioxide from the air to make their own food. And last one, animals use oxygen for respiration. Now come to the homework. This is your homework number 2. You have to do competency based question, answers 3 and 4 as your homework, and you have to submit on Saturday from 9 am to 3 pm. That means students, this 2 question answer is your homework. The question number 3 and 4, you have to copy the question with answer as your homework. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. Do the SW regularly and copy all the question answer in your note copy and learn all the question answer. Read the chapter properly. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.